Welcome friends. In this video, let's discuss about the topic biosphere. This is part of levels of organization of ecology series of environment and ecology. So the ecology has been organized into different levels. The basic level is occupied by organisms, as I discussed in our previous videos, and the next level is population, and population level is followed by community, then ecosystem, and then biome, and the last level is biosphere. So what is biosphere? So biosphere is the global sum of all ecosystem. It is the sum of all the ecosystems that I discussed earlier, and it can be termed as the zone of life on the earth. It is a zone of life on earth. It is a closed system, okay? And as we all know that the earth has been divided into different spheres. These are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, cryosphere and biosphere. Biosphere is the zone of life on earth, and atmosphere is the zone of gaseous elements, and hydrosphere is the zone of water, lithosphere for soil and rocks and minerals. So it is where the biosphere living organisms are present. So the biosphere is the global ecological system integrating all the living beings and their relationship. Okay, it integrates the all living beings and their relationship with themselves, as well as interaction with the lithosphere, geosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. So living beings utilize the atmosphere for the survival, because it utilizes oxygen from the atmosphere and gives out carbon dioxide. So it has interaction with the atmosphere. In hydrosphere it uses water, so it is also having interaction. In geosphere, all the uh, plants and living beings sustain from the plant sources. So plant has the source in the soil. Okay, this is the geosphere. So in this way, the different spheres of the earth are in interaction with the biosphere. So the biosphere is not present everywhere. It is absent in certain extreme zones of the earth. These include extremes of north and south poles, highest mountains of the world, and deepest oceans. Hostile conditions that does not support life. Okay, in these areas biosphere is absent. Okay, and we all know that the primary source of energy is the sun. In the biosphere, sun sustains all the living beings. So with the help of energy from the sun, plants produce their own food, and secondary consumers depend on the plants for its survival. Then follows the chain of life. Okay, so biosphere also provides nutrients, includes air, water, soil, and soil supports the plant life with the help of providing macronutrients, includes NPK, and the secondary nutrients like calcium, magnesium, sulfur, and micronutrients like iron, manganese, boron, zinc, copper, and these are all the essential elements that are required for the plant growth. These are supplied by the soil. Okay, so this is it about the levels of organizations of ecology. So let's recap with this picture, this series of levels of organization. So basic level of organization is occupied by the individual. So these levels of organization is designed to study the subject matter of ecology in a detailed way and in a systematic way. Please mind this. Okay, so basic level is occupied by the individual. Here the lion is the example. Okay, and the population, it is the group of individuals of a particular species. So it is the group of individuals of lion is called the population. It is also hold good for all other species as well. And then community, next level is community. Community is the group of two or more species, different species, occupying a particular space for a particular time. Okay, here lions, zebras, deer, and all these species occupying a particular space interacting with each other is the community. Next is the ecosystem. Ecosystem is the interaction of this community with the abiotic factors like soil, climate. So this is the ecosystem. And then is the biome. Biome is the large parts of the biosphere divided into different parts based on certain characteristics that I discussed in the previous video. Okay, then the biosphere, this is the last sphere. Biosphere is the living part of the earth. It has interaction with the other spheres of the earth that is atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, cryosphere that I discussed in the previous slides. Okay, this ends the series of levels of organization of ecology videos. So in the next video, let's start with the functions of the ecosystem, that is food web, food chain, and ecological pyramids. So let's discuss in detail to remove any of the confusion in those topics. For all the videos related to environment and ecology, please click here. Here, one link will be there. If you are in need of any more videos, please bring your cursor here for more videos. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel.